आता खबरो विस्तारान. भाजपा सरकार आर्थिक संकल्प आणि विमो विधेयक ह्या कायद्या अंतर्गत सामान्य मनशाच्या बँक खात्याचेर लूट करता. सामान्य गरीब मनशाक लुटून पैशावाल्यांक तेको दिता म्हण आरोप काँग्रेसीन भाजपाचेर केला. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान निलेश परवार.
A law is coming, and the law is called Financial Resolution and Deposit Insurance Bill 2017. Financial Resolution and Deposit Insurance Bill 2017. Through this bill, the government is committing virtually a dacoity on bank account holders who are common people, farmers, labor class, government servants, salaried class, non-salaried class, pensioners, everybody. It is a virtual dacoity if this bill becomes a law. Presently, the bill is before Joint Select Committee of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha members and is in process. Joint Select Committee of Parliament. If you issue a check, if this bill becomes a law, if you issue a check, even if you have funds in your account, your right to withdraw money from your hard-earned savings can be denied to you. Something which is a bit shocking if this law comes. People have put money in banks, among other things, to secure the fate of their children. And you can imagine what will be the fate of the children. This is only one aspect.